What's up, everybody? Ian at MAPerformance here with another product review is what I should have said, on the 2015 WRX. Today we're going to be talking about the famous Catback exhaust system. So the first one we're testing today is actually the Tomei, however you want to say it, that's up to you. We've got the full titanium single exit Catback on the car right now. So I just kind of wanted to cruise around and give you my first initial thoughts on the Catback. So obviously, being titanium, this thing is crazy light. I think it's around just a little over 16.5 pounds or something like that, versus the stock, which I haven't weighed, but I think it's 38 to 40 pounds, somewhere in that ballpark. So there's a significant weight savings for those of you who are, trying to reduce as much as possible. So there's definitely a huge benefit to that. Second biggest thing, obviously, this is a single exit, so it doesn't have the quad tips that the stock exhaust has, or some of the other aftermarket ones. That's either good or bad depending on how you look at it. I didn't think I'd like the single exit on the car, but so far I think it's kind of cool. It definitely has a purposed race car look to it. So yeah, it's kind of neat. It's got the burnt tips on there too, which some people like as well. As far as the sound goes, well, I'm surprised how quiet it is, really. Now, we do have the factory mid-pipe, J-pipe, all the cats and everything in place. So I understand that it's not going to be as loud as if we had, maybe a catless setup or something. But yeah, overall, it's really nice. It's got a nice, deep, sporty sound to it. A couple little pops here and there between shifts, but for the most part, it's super livable. We've got the windows up right now, and I mean, realistically, it's just kind of there. So it's a nice faint sound. It's definitely louder than stock, but other than that, it's fairly quiet. Overall, I like it. I think it's sweet. I'm excited to hear how it's going to sound when we open it up a little bit more with J-pipe and our downpipe and whatnot, but yeah, it's pretty sweet. Comment, call me, tell me what you think about it. We're going to be testing a couple more options here down the road, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys.